Hey guys, this is David with Automotive Circuit Solutions again. I got this front electronic module for a 2002 Ford Thunderbird. Then I got our test car here. I'm going to go ahead and plug this module in to test the customer's problem. His complaint is the C1925 fault code, which is should result in stiff steering. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and just confirm that issue. Okay, I got the module plugged in. Let's just start this car up. Where's the keys? It definitely does feel stiff. You could hear a little extra noise from the power steering pump. And we're on polished concrete here, so it should spin pretty easily. So I'm going to go ahead and get that module repaired, and then we'll test afterwards. Before I repair the module, I'm also going to confirm the fault code. Always does this little test sequence with the headlights when reading the fault codes. Basically tests all the lights in the front. I think it'll test the horn. Maybe. There it is. Okay, so here's all the codes. A lot of these could be because the module was removed and reinstalled, so we're just going to go ahead and erase these fault codes and see what comes back. It's doing the test sequence again. Alright, so this is what came back. I will go ahead and repair this and see what remains. The repair should take care of their complaint. The other faults that are left might be because this is a 2002 front electronic module and this is a 2005 Thunderbird. So there are some differences on these models. So we'll see once I get it repaired. Alright, I got the module repaired and reinstalled. Let's check the power steering stiffness first. Noticeably wider. Power steering still makes some noise, but it always kind of did, so let's just go ahead and check the fault codes. Alright, as you can see, the C whatever fault code is gone. So these issues right here are, well, actually I believe the door ajar circuit failure goes away if I close the door. So let me do that and try again. but the rest of them are because the differences between the 05, actually the oil pressure switch will go away also if I start the car and run the test. So let me start the car and with the door closed, erase the codes one more time. Okay, so with the car running, those are the only two fault codes. So the oil pressure basically is supposed to go away with the car running only. So that wraps it up for this video. We took care of the customer's issue. Like and subscribe for the next one. Thanks for watching.